Okay, today we are going to be looking at filter, which is a function part of clojure.core, so it was available by default. Filter pretty much takes a function and a collection, and it kind of gets rid of the items in the collection that we're not interested in. The function that it takes has to evaluate to either true or false. So let me give you an example of a function that evaluates to either true or false. So even, if it takes 2, it's true, but if it takes 1, it is false. So what filter does is that it takes this function that evaluates to either true or false, and then it goes through each element, each item in the collection, and it applies even. So is 1 even? That would be false, so it would be thrown away. This would be true, so it will be kept. This would be false, or thrown away. This would be true. This would be true, so it will be kept. And it will return only those items that were evaluated to true, and it returns a lazy sequence. So let's have a look at that. So only the even ones are kept. The rest are thrown out. So 3 and 1 are thrown out. And it is a lazy sequence. A lazy sequence. Again, you can come up with your own anonymous functions. So here we could write an anonymous function that we want it to be greater than 2. Get rid of type. So there, only those items that were greater than 2 were kept. So only when this evaluated to true were the items kept. Now, filter can also be used. Let's use this example here. And let's say we want to only have ages, people who are above 28 years old. So we want to filter out the rest. So we can write filter, and then we're going to come up with a function. So I'm going to write fn and then person, that is the map. So this is an example of a person. And then we are going to look at their age. So the person's age. And we are going to ask the question, is the person older than 28? All right, let's run this. All right, so here we've only got people that are older than 28. So Alice is 30, Charlie is 35, and Evie is 38. If we swap that over, we would have Bob is 25 and Diana is 22. So as you can see, filter takes this collection and it applies a function that either returns a true or false. If it returns true, then that item is kept. If it returns false, it's thrown away, and it returns a lazy sequence.